Hello guys, I'm your voice Kuche, and today I want to take you through the streets of Kangemi because business people were relocated to some places, and today we want to see where they were taken to for their business. So let's explore this street. So uh, the business people were on the other side, but due to this construction that is going on, they were relocated to other places. So here, people who are selling bananas are here. Uh, the next point, we have people selling tomatoes and onions. So let's go on. So go. My God,
When I record.
So guys, as I had told you earlier, you can see here is where people are selling tomatoes. So guys, here is where guys, here is where we usually take our lunch. So today, guys, as you know, here is at Kangemi. So there is flyover construction that is taking place. So as you can see, the movement, people are running their business as normal. So you will learn something, explore. When you visit Kangemi, you will know how business is taking place. Hello guys. So when I go through the streets of Kangemi, here is where purchase my maize for preparing some dishes. Like mostly in the morning, I usually take tea and maize. And here, as you can see, free maize goes at 60 bob. So guys, when you are around Kangemi, you can just visit here and purchase. There are sweets by the way.
Young self butcher eating butcher YouTube self butcher self butcher
Ukichagua mingi unaongeza moja. Simamia hapo watu wasikuangushe.